Congress Rokibul Hussain rose loud in Lok Sabha Parliament. Rokibul Hussain shakes up Indian Parliament. Dhubri Lok Sabha constituency MP Rokibul Hussain has been making his presence felt within the walls of Parliament. After winning Dhubri by 10 lakh votes, MP Rokibul Hussain is raising his voice for both his state and constituency in the Lok Sabha. Rokibul Hussain demands central government delegation in Assam. Rokibul Hussain's speech in Parliament addressed key issues affecting the people of Assam and Dhubri. Residents of Dhubri have been facing the problem of flood and erosion for a very long time. Yet neither Union Minister nor the Assam government have taken substantial action. Hussain urged the central government to send a delegation to Assam to address this ongoing issue. He also highlighted the severe impact of floods in Assam, which result in the loss of lives and the destruction of crops each year. Despite the recurring crisis, the centre has not adequately addressed the problem, often dismissing the impact of the Brahmaputra river. Hussain stressed that the government must send a delegation to visit the affected areas and seek a permanent solution.
For raising a very important, valuable and burning problem of my constituency Dhubri and the problem of whole of Assam. Sir, ये problem है erosion का, ये problem है मिट्टी कटाव का. Sir, हम लोग सब जानते हैं कि ब्रह्मपुत्र असम में है, लेकिन कम आदमी जानते हैं कि ये नदी नहीं है, ये नद है. ब्रह्मपुत्र इज ए मेल रिवर. ब्रह्मा का पुत्र है, इसीलिए बाकी प्रदेशों में जो है वो नदी है और ये नद है. ब्रह्मपुत्र का जो स्वभाव है वो बाकी नदियों से नहीं मिलते हैं. इसीलिए ब्रह्मपुत्र एंड 33 ट्रिब्यूटरीज में ऐसा होता है सर, वहाँ इतना ज़्यादा मिट्टी को निकाल जाती है, 1000-2000 जमीन एक ही बारी में ब्रह्मपुत्र नदी में समा जाता है. सर 100 बीघा जमीन का मालिक सर एक ही दिन में रास्ते में आ जाता है और इसी आदमी को यहाँ दिल्ली में आके किसी लोगों ने घुसपैठिया कह देते हैं, बाहर का आदमी कह देते हैं. इसीलिए माय रिक्वेस्ट इज सर टू सेंड send a all-party delegation not to see the situation but to see the ground reality of the situation. The last, sir, my request is to the government of Assam, government of India, to send a team to that erosion problem spot and the problem of flood and erosion as a national problem. I again request you, sir, ये गुजारिश है, हमारा अनुरोध है, please sir, declare the problem of flood and erosion as a problem of national problem, sir. Thank you, sir.
News Text Report, My News Any.